The Communist Party in China was influenced by the Mao's philosophy and Lenin Marxism and socialism philosophy. The time period it was executed in 1949. The theme is democratic centralism, which is also influenced by Marxism. It was a one party rule. As you know, China is a one party rule. There's only one party over there function. So, first of all, there are 96.71 million members of this party, the most members in any party in the world, in which 2300 members in NPC. So, NPC is actually National Party Congress. So, there are total 3000 members, in which 2300 members actually attend the legislature kind of the meeting which happens every year. So in which there is a central committee which has 380 members, which actually meets every year to appoint, and that also elects Politburo after 5 years. So the Politburo is elected after 5 years, which consists of 24 members, in which 7 members are elected, like shortlisted, and that is the standing committee, in which one of them is elected as the general secretary called president. They call him general secretary. So the current president is Xi Jinping. The term of the president is 5 years. It's limited to 2 times, which was before 2019 when Xi Jinping actually got the second time tenure. He actually changed that to no restriction of tenure. And the powers of this party are military. The army belongs to the party, not to the state. Second, control over personnel. Party has the absolute power to appoint, promote, or remove officials in any institution. State-owned enterprises, judiciary, media, universities, banks, energy companies, judges, editors are managed by party, not by the government. I mean, by the party. And the party actually controls over the government, so it like overrules the government, and the government have to listen to the party first. The party members are actually elected into the government. So that's it.